there, welcome back to ET Now. You're watching Markets at Noon with me, Kanishka Sarkar and Ankita Saxena. Time now to get in conversation with another management. We have Sanjay Lodha, the CMD of Netweb Technologies, joining us now. They've reported a largely flat quarter this time on a sequential basis. So to understand what's happening, let's talk to Mr. Sanjay. Hi, Mr. Sanjay. Thank you so much for joining us today. First up, tell us how are you looking at the numbers? It's been a largely flat quarter. So is this on expected lines, or is there a one-off at play that sort of dampened the sentiment this time around?
Thank you. Thanks for the time. Actually, really speaking, basically in our you know that what kind of business we are into. We are primarily into high-end computing and basically primarily into supercomputing, cloud, and AI. All the three are the growth areas today. So this was a fabulous quarter. If you see the order book, we have we had a huge win of around 2,100 crore as a strategic order. Okay, and the generic, basically the organic order book was somewhere around 493 crores. So in total, we have more than 2,500 crore of orders actually, which has never happened before earlier in the history of the company. And basically, while I would like you to recall that our turnover of the company is somewhere around, last year it was 1,150 crores. So basically, I think it was I think that itself speaks the kind of quarter we had. Okay, so basically that is one. The second is that basically as regards the numbers are concerned, I don't think it was a flat quarter. Basically, basically in our kind of a company, it becomes very difficult to judge quarter by quarter. Actually, if you see H1 last year and this year, we grew by 50% in terms of revenue, and basically the profits were also up by around 50%. So basically, that is really the right barometer. On quarter, definitely it was 20% odd. But basically, quarter on quarter definition is not will not give you the clear picture of the company. Otherwise, this was a very, very fabulous quarter for us. We bagged huge orders, strategic orders, as well as basically the organic order book also was very strong. So that has put the company into a really a good momentum and spirits, because all the three segments which we work, the supercomputing, the cloud, and AI, all the three are growth areas for us. And all the three segments, we are not working only as of yesterday or something. We have been working for years together. We have a complete hardware make in India. We have a complete solution, complete software stack. So basically that makes the complete solution. So puts us into a very good competitive kind of a very good position in the market. And we are very, as I have been always been guiding, that will be growing at around 35 to 40% CAGR on the organic side of it. So that remains intact. And plus the strategic orders, definitely I want to report separately and to basically mention them separately, which is not part of my organic growth.
Right, Mr. Lodha, like you mentioned, the profit boost this quarter was partly due to the accounting change, right? How much of the profit was organic and how much is a one-time?
No, this quarter, basically, there was no one-time order billing actually, because whatever profit you are seeing is all organic actually, and basically accounting change was only some minimal, basically, I think the stock valuation or something was there. That is because we integrated SAP. So basically, we had to change the method, but there was a very, very marginal, maybe less than a crore or somewhere around kind of a difference. So that has not impacted the profits in any way.
You were just highlighting how you have a very robust order book. So in this quarter itself, you secured two large strategic orders worth 21.840 million that are to be executed in the next financial year, that is. So is this timeline on track, and what kind of contribution can we see in terms of revenue and profits from these two large projects?
So basically, I'll tell you, I will like to confirm that this particular orders, we definitely feel that some part of it, or maybe 1/3, or maybe at least should we target to build them. Actually, this particularly this financial year itself. Though definitely, you know that basically currently the AI boom has really boosted up the demand everywhere. So delivery challenges and supply chain challenges can be there. But we are very, very confident that we will do substantial part, a good amount of the new order book actually from the in this financial year, and the next financial year, the rest will overflow. So basically, as I'm telling you, the organic growth, which I'm maintaining at 35%, 40%, that will keep on growing, and that momentum is very much intact. Basically, the strategic is only adding to the organic.
All right, Ms. Lodha, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us with the number crunching. With that,